In the last video, we were discussed how to georeference images in ArcMap. After georeferencing images, next important step is digitize different features for map. So today we are going to learn how we can digitize and create shapefile in ArcMap. In GIS, we can create shapefiles in three types. Let's go one by one. First, we need to add a georeferenced image. Go to Customize and enable Editor toolbox. Polygon is a 2D shape which creates a closed shape. Go to Arc Catalog, select your folder, right click and select shapefile from new. Give a name for this shapefile. I give name as boundary. Select Polygon as feature type and WGS 1984 as coordinate system. Now click on Start Editing. Click on Editor and enable Create Feature window and pin that. Select the shapefile which you want to digitize. Select Feature Type. After that, you can click over the boundary and create a polygon shapefile. If you have a shapefile and want to create a different shapefile from it, then you can use Trace option. After creating polygon, right click and select Finish. If you want to add different small shapefiles in one category, then after creating the shapefile, click on Finish Part. Then click on Editor and stop editing. Save that shapefile. Here I want to create a polyline to digitize the road network. Repeat the same process as polygon creation. Just select Polyline as feature type. Points are an one-dimensional feature which used for indicating any location on map. Here I want to digitize some places by point feature. Repeat the same process as shapefile creation. Just select point as feature type. If you want to edit attribute table of these shapefiles, then go to attribute table of shapefiles and add a new column. Then enable the editing of shapefiles and fill up the column with details. Go to Properties of Shapefile and select Label. Customize your labeling and apply to label your shapefile. You can also change color or symbology from Symbology tab. So, after georeferencing an image, you can also create defined shapefiles for defined features. In the next video, we will learn how to create a map layout with these shapefiles. For that, like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, press the bell icon for instant notification of new video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.